Hi, my name is Jalai and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are checking in at TRYP by Wyndham Mall of Asia. Now, quick disclaimer, kasi medyo nakakalito. There are actually two Wyndham hotels near Mall of Asia. May TRYP by Wyndham at may Microtel by Wyndham. Mas malapit sa Conrad yung Microtel. So hopefully next time matry naman natin yon para makompare natin silang dalawa. Pero for today, dito muna tayo sa TRYP. If ang main goal nyo ay ang mag-MOA, super convenient ang location na to because it's only a few blocks away from Mall of Asia. Pwede nyo actually lakarin if kaya nyo, but don't worry, they have a free shuttle service going to Mall of Asia. Usually, the shuttle leaves every even-numbered hour, from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. So around 10, 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 p.m. We didn't use the shuttle because we left at an odd-numbered hour and price was around 100 pesos to 120 pesos for a 6-seater vehicle going to the Mall of Asia. Pero for this trip, our main goal is not just MOA. We also want to visit Intramuros for our day 1, which is only around 20 to 30 minutes away depending on traffic. And for our second day, my parents wanted to visit IKEA, which is also in Mall of Asia. Pagpasok pa lang namin, ito agad yung receiving area and we were immediately assisted. The reception area is actually on the second floor. Super bilis ng check-in process. Everyone was really nice. And honestly, ang ganda niya. It's very spacious and bright. Meron din silang bar dito, plus a balcony area where you can enjoy your drinks habang nagre-relax lang. They also have a conference area called the Atrium. So if you're staying here for work or events, maganda rin siya. And now let's check out the room. We booked via Klook and this is the Bayside room with 2 queen beds in the non-smoking area for about 8,500 pesos a night. First impression, sobrang bright and clean. We booked the room with a seaside view, so paggising mo, ang ganda talaga ng makikita mo sa bintana. And can we talk about the bed? Because sobrang lambot niya, literal na parang marshmallow, pero hindi yung sobrang lambot na sasakit yung likod mo. For me, perfect siya. They provide you with water and coffee. There's a mini fridge and plenty of storage spaces. The bathroom looks well-maintained and sanitized. They also provide you with toiletries, may blower din. I know some hotels don't provide it, minsan need mo pang i-request. As for the amenities in the hotel, there's a pool area with a bar. Hindi ko na kinuhanan ng video yung area kasi may family sa pool nung time na nandun ako. But here are images from the website. Just beside the pool area, may indoor space din where you can hang out with your family or friends to play board games at kung ano-ano pa. Or if gusto nyo lang mag-chill and have a couple of drinks. Malapit din dito ang gym area. Our overnight stay included breakfast. You have to be mindful of your attire and the time. Breakfast is from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. There is an outdoor area, but I would highly recommend you to just stay indoors. Another thing I love about this hotel is sobrang lapit niya sa lahat. May 7-Eleven, zoos, and Starbucks na walking distance lang. May nearby spa rin around the area if gusto nyo mag-relax even more. But I believe it's a membership-only place, but no worries because they do have a massage service in the hotel itself. So if you're looking for a hotel near the Mall of Asia that's comfortable, convenient, sulit, I think TRYP by Wyndham is definitely worth considering. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, please. Thanks for watching!
Bye.